In this video, we will see a kinetic facade. This kinetic facade is created in Archicad using GDL code. The design showcases different combinations of facades generated by adjusting various parametric values. For example, when the panel width and height are changed, the facade transforms instantly, giving a completely new look. By experimenting with parameters such as motion, panel height, frequency, and amplitude angle, multiple variations can be achieved. Adjusting the panel's height, width, and thickness changes the size of each individual panel, while motion, frequency, and amplitude angle create dynamic new patterns across the entire facade. The frame itself is also customizable. By modifying the frame thickness and depth, the structure can be tailored to different design needs. Another useful feature is the ability to save facade combinations as favorites. This makes it easy to quickly switch between different styles. In this demonstration, several combinations have been saved, allowing instant changes to a preferred design. Changing the frequency value modifies the waveform. Higher frequency values bring the spiral waves closer together. Meanwhile, the amplitude angle affects the rotation of the panels, adding more variety to the facade's movement. By combining all of these parameters, designers can explore endless possibilities and create unique kinetic facade designs in Archicad.